Hey, this is Jim from DTRSec. This is the second video in the Reversing in REnigma series. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a basic recording and replaying of a URL. Let's do a quick overview of the process. First, we are going to show how to set up a recording of the website example.com in the REnigma web interface. Second, we will launch the VM in recording mode and REnigma will launch chrome.exe. That instance of chrome.exe will then go to example.com. During this time, everything that happens in the VM will be perfectly recorded by REnigma. When we are done recording, we will then power off the VM to complete the recording. Next, we will show the Recordings tab in REnigma that shows all recordings available to the user. We will then identify and launch the recording we just made and demonstrate how the replay looks in the REnigma web interface. Okay, without further ado, let's get started with the demonstration. First, we will go to the REnigma homepage. On this page, you can select URL or file via a toggle. If we click that toggle, we can see that it switches to file mode. Now let's click it again, and it will switch back to URL. Then we simply type in https://www.example.com. And then we can select a starting VM snapshot to use. In this case, let's select the default Win10 Live VM snapshot. This VM snapshot is the complete memory and CPU register state that will exist at the beginning of the recording. Then we click Start Recording. Now REnigma will load the virtual machine snapshot. Since we are recording a URL, a script will be injected into the VM that loads the URL into the Chrome browser. We can see it loads example.com as expected. And that's it for the recording. Now we can power off the VM to finish the recording. Now we are at the recordings page, and we can see there's a new recording of example.com. We can now click the replay button to launch the replay. And we see the exact same thing happen. What's happening here is that the VM snapshot reloads. Then the replay engine begins. This produces exactly the same instruction stream as the original execution. This will continue executing until we end up at the end of the original recording. While the replay is executing, all CPU register states and memory states from the original recording are perfectly and precisely recreated. That has everything you need to dig into the data and discover the precise behavior of software. Later in this video series, we'll explore how to dive into that data. That's all for now. If you want to learn more about REnigma or are interested in evaluating REnigma, please visit dtrsec.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.